Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sonic running, so let's get started. To draw this very cool Sonic, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve, round off the sides, and then just bring it in to the center and back up. It's kind of a little oval with a little point at the bottom. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and just draw oval for highlight and shade it all in. There. So then now that we have the nose, let's go above this nose and we're just going to draw a soft curve right over it. Very soft curve. Then we're going to bring this out. So we're just going to curve down a little bit, curve down a little bit, and let's bring this out. Nice and wide. About right here, I'll round it off. So same thing on this side. And round it off. Then let's bring this down. Curve, and we want it let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big, and I'm going to bring this curve all the way down. So definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to do to help you draw these curves. Okay, so I have this nice wide curve in here, and then let's come back up right in the center of this nose. Go up, let's say about right here, not too far apart, just a little bit. And in this area, I'm going to draw a curve that goes up and another curve. And right in the center, I'll just add a little line right there. Then from there, this is where we're going to start to draw the eye opening area. So we're going to go up nice and high, and we'll bring it back to about right here and here. So let's go up nice and high, and about right here, start to bring it in. So same thing over here. Nice and high, and bring it in. There, so we have the eyes and the mouth area. So now that we have that, let's come back into this area about right here. And I'm going to pretend I'm drawing this oval. So nice big oval, and about right here I'll stop. So same thing here. There with the eyes. And to draw Sonic's eyes, let's see here. Let's come about right here. We're going to draw another oval. And as we get over here, I'm just going to draw a little highlight, so a little circle. And this is the part where I'll shade this part in. And same thing here. So oval, and about right here for the highlight. There. And let's give Sonic a smile, of course. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a little curve for a cap and bring in the curve right about here. Classic mischievous Sonic, right? There. Okay, so we have that. Now let's go ahead and we're going to come above this part in this area. We're going to draw his ears. So about right here, and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to draw a big curve point and bring it down. So nice and big right over this area. And I'm going to draw the inside. So just following my outside and a curve. So let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag a point across. So about right here and here. So same thing. Once again, go up nice and high and down. There, got 2 big ears in. Then from there, we're going to use this point right here, and we're going to go up. We're going to start to draw his hair. So let's point this all the way back down to about right there, and same thing here. And come right back down. It's all coming together, right? So hopefully I'm making it easy for you. So let's come back to where the ears are, about here. And I'm going to draw a big point. So I'm going to go up nice and high, about right there. And then I'm going to start to bring it down. And let's fill up some more in the back. So about right here, just going to draw a curve and fill it up. So same thing here. And tuck it in. There. And we can come in here for some little details. So bring this up a little bit more. So you can draw maybe 2 little lines right here. And let's see. That's pretty much it for his face. So now let's draw his body. So let's come right in this area, right underneath his eye. And we're just going to draw this very simple little curved body. I'm just going to make it nice and round and connect it. There. And for some details, different colors, there's tummy area. I'm just going to draw a curve and a curve. Then let's draw his feet. So let's come to about right here on this side, and I'm going to draw angle line coming out. So notice it's thinner here and gets a little bit wider. And about right there, I'm going to stop and just draw a curve right over. And then let's come down one more curve. And from here is where I'm going to draw this kind of big ovalish shape for his shoe. So let's go up, touching that. And say about right there, just round it off. And here it's going to be wider. So a little bit thinner up here and wider at the bottom, and just go ahead and connect. There, just general shape right here, this big oval. And for some details, let's come about right here, and I'm going to draw another oval, bring it in, and we're going to draw one more layer. So this is the sole of the shoe. Tuck it in, and then there's different color in his shoe. So right here, I'm just going to draw a stripe. Round it off a little bit more. There. And then for his socks, right here, where you drew this curve, just draw a curve going across. Bring it down a little bit more. Now I'm looking at my camera. Okay, so now that we have this one in, let's draw the other foot. So this one's much simpler, about in this area right here. And say about right here, I'm just going to draw this ovalish shape, curve, and then we're just going to bring it down to a curve. And then about right here, just draw a stripe going across. Then for his hands, let's work on this one first, a little bit simpler. So right in this area, right here where his cheeks are, we're going to draw a line that goes out, and then about right here, I'll cut it off. And then we're going to draw the glove part right here. So 1, 2, and connect the white part on his glove. And then his hands. So about right here, I'm just going to tuck in this little curve, very subtle, just for his thumb indication. And we're going to go out. And about right here, I'm just going to curve maybe like 4 times for his knuckles, and then bring him in. So then just come in here very lightly and draw the little lines right there. So that's that hand. Now to the other hand. So this one is going to be coming out forward. So about right here, we're going to draw a curve and another curve. So notice it gets wider as it comes out. And right here, I'm just going to cap it off with another curve. And now to draw his hand. So let's see here. To make it easier, I'm going to come right here, curve down towards this curve, and I'm going to wobble a little bit and out. So then before we finish that, let's come back right here, and I'm going to draw another curve. So let's work on this side here. We're going to out, and it's going to get, I guess, a little bit lower as we come down. So just draw 1, 2, 3, 4 curves. Bring it down to about right there, same area. 1, 2, and 3. So we're just creating this little shape right here with these curves. Then we can come back in here and draw these lines and cap them off. There, pretty cool, right? So in this area right here, while we have this little line, is because we're going to tuck in this curve right underneath for his thumb. There, that's just a little indication of his thumb. And oh, also forgot the bottom of his shoe. If you like, you can just draw some lines going across for some detail. It gets a little bit smaller. There. And that is pretty much it for Sonic here running. And if you want to make it more dynamic, you can come in here and you can just add some lines if you like, or just lightly draw some lines. See if you like this look. You can definitely give it a try. Just draw some lines coming out. Maybe another one coming here. And another one. Just to make it look more dynamic, right? And then you can also add some rings if you like. So let's come about right here if you want to do that. Flying around. Just going to draw some ovals. And another oval inside. Oh, getting messy. And then maybe one here. So I'll just draw 3 rings. And another one. And one maybe right here. Just different. Just change up the angle of your ovals. There, nice messy ring right there. But that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this and that I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me to draw Sonic here running. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.